wrong time. We'll wait just a minute. Hey, it's Tom. We're back on Real Bites with the Kirbys. We got some chickens on the smoker right now, and to go with, we're going to try something that we have not tried on the smoker before, some smoked mac and cheese. We can say that this is 0 calorie, but we'd be lying. A lot of cheese in here. So let me tell you what I got. We got 3 cups of milk. We got a pint of heavy cream. We got about a half stick of butter, pound of macaroni noodles of your choosing. I'm going to take a pound of Velveeta cheese, 8 ounces of the pepperjack cheese, and we got 2 cups of cheddarjack blend, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, salt and pepper to your liking. We're going to give this a go. Y'all stick around, we'll show you how. All right, let's put this together. We'll go in with our pound macaroni. Got some cream cheese. We'll mix in a little bit of this Velveeta, shredded. I'm going to go in with some of our shredded cheddarjack blend. Go in with our hot pepper cheese. If y'all haven't guessed, there's going to be a little bit of stirring involved while we're cooking this. So don't get scared now. We're in too deep to back out. We'll add some of our butter in. This looks a little soupy right now. It will not look a little soupy when it's done. We promise. Mixing everything together. Some people will do like a crumb topping on top of this. You'll do that, or you could add a layer of cheese. We are not going to do the breadcrumbs. Who knows? Maybe we'll try some cheese on top. Don't know if we got enough already. It's going to be good. Don't know if it's going to be healthy. I'm pretty sure it's going to be good. We'll just mix our seasoning in. Again, salt and pepper to your liking, to your taste. Keep in mind some of the packaged cheese, the Velveeta, has some sodium in it. So if you don't like a lot of salt, you probably don't need to add a lot. Right. We'll get me a big tablespoon. We're going to stir this around a little bit, best we can. We're going to put it on the smoker. The smoker's rolling at 275. Got a couple of chickens in there going with it. We'll put it in about 30 minutes. Give it a stir. So we've been about an hour and a half on this smoked mac and cheese. Let's give it another stir and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, you can see that's starting to thicken up. It's starting to melt together. I think we got just a little bit more and we'll have it right where we want it. All right, everybody. So we smoked this mac and cheese in the Traeger grill, 275. We end up going about 2 hours, and now we've had it out for about 15 minutes to let it rest. Let's dig in and give this a try. It's the first run, guys. We'll see what it tastes like. Yes. Very good. The shells are just tender. All the cheese mixed in there. You can really taste the seasoning, the flavoring of the pepper, and just the right amount of salt. Very good. We'll see y'all next time.